president, the secretary, the treasurer, they can come and the president and the secretary and the treasurer. Jerome, would you come? Right. So the three of us must be here. Pastor Kurare will first of all show you, just point to you. And Pastor I will ask Pastor Kurare to read the certificate, the writing on it, and the signatories. After that, I will ask him to hand it over to the president of the Ethiopian Union Mission, who will also hand it over to the president of the New Gambela Mission field. After that, we will do a dedicated prayer. We will do a dedicated prayer. And then Jerome will do that prayer. After that prayer, the officers of the field will, if you allow them, please give them a chance to walk around for a few minutes, letting you see for yourselves how your certificate of inauguration as a field looks like. After they have walked around and they have given you a chance to see, then they will return to their place. That time,
let me interpret. And Pastor Gotti, Korbanaka Kama Game, they couldn't go here. Can time and Tapani and the Lani time. But again about Bana feeling one go by town, go around and go out to come. Kakorayo, Bapal, the Skalwai, which is Chedalum, Balat Kakorum Channel.
Right, so after that, the Quran and myself, we have seen this before. We do not want to inhibit your celebration mood.
We have
seen that this is a very exciting moment for you. As representing the certificate to the president of the new field, he will take a few minutes to introduce the new officers officially. When Elder Jerome will pray, he will dedicate the field to God.